welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you about our 93 to 02 Firebird double den kit. Who's ready to make a video? Come on. Let's go. First you want to remove your old bezel. Next, remove the 4 screws that keep the factory or existing radio in place. Carefully remove the old radio. Unplug the harness and antenna. Match up wiring on the new radio with wire colors on the back of the adapter package. Make sure your brackets are installed on the sides of the radio at this point. Remove this piece before reinstalling your new radio. You just attach the brackets with the bolts that came with your new radio. And do the same on both sides. And now your radio is ready to go back in the car. It lines up with factory mounting to install and uninstall easily. Perfect. Use your original screws to secure the radio in the car. And now install your new bezel. Look at that, fits like a glove. Here is the final install and your new radio in action. The reverse cameras are also available on our website. The cute little dogs are not included. The bezel has a factory-like finish. You can see the difference by the edging around the radio opening and the stronger, better bracket. This dash kit is designed to convert your factory radio opening to the size of today's double den aftermarket radios. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.